test drive the 2013 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.